How to fix Spotify Wrapped 2021 not showing up.
Hello, everyone. Today we're addressing a common problem some of you might be experiencing: Spotify Wrapped 2021 not showing up on your account. Don't worry, we've got your back and we'll guide you through several steps you can take to resolve this issue. So let's dive right in.
Are you eligible for Spotify Wrapped?
Before we start troubleshooting, it's important to understand the eligibility criteria for Spotify Wrapped. Spotify Wrapped is usually available for users who have had a Spotify account before the start of the year in question. The user should have listened to a minimum amount of music throughout the year, although Spotify hasn't specified an exact figure. If you don't meet these criteria, that might be why you're not seeing Spotify Wrapped.
Is your app updated?
Keeping your apps updated is important for smooth functioning and to enjoy new features. Here's what to do if Spotify Wrapped isn't showing. Ensure that your Spotify app is updated to the latest version. The Spotify Wrapped feature might not work on outdated versions of the app. To update the app, go to your device's App Store for iOS, Google Play Store for Android, and check if there are updates available for Spotify. If there are, update the app.
Checking in the right place.
Sometimes, it's simply a case of not looking in the right place. Spotify Wrapped usually appears in the Home tab of your Spotify app. Scroll down until you see a section titled something like Your 2021 Wrapped or See How You Listened in 2021.
Troubleshooting.
If you still can't find your Spotify Wrapped, there are a few more things you can try. Try logging out and then logging back into your account. This often helps refresh your account data. Reinstall the Spotify app. Uninstalling and reinstalling the app can also help refresh your account and may make your Spotify Wrapped appear. Remember, it may take some time for Spotify Wrapped to show up after you've completed these steps, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately. We hope these steps have helped resolve your issue with Spotify Wrapped 2021 not showing up. If you're still experiencing issues, you might need to reach out to Spotify support for further assistance. Remember, patience is key. Sometimes the Wrapped feature takes a bit of time to roll out to all users. Happy listening, and enjoy exploring your Spotify Wrapped 2021.